If you're under 30 and nobody has explained money to you properly, listen carefully. Because the truth is brutal. School taught you how to memorize, your job teaches you how to obey, but almost nobody teaches you how money actually works. And by the time most people figure it out, they're already 35, stressed, and financially trapped. Loans, rent, zero investments, and a career they can't leave. So today I'm giving you the financial truths you must understand before turning 30. Not motivational quotes, not fake hustle advice, just raw, practical rules that decide whether you end up wealthy or stuck. And some of these will probably offend you. Good, because the financial system doesn't reward comfort. Let's start with the uncomfortable one. Your salary is not designed to make you wealthy. It's designed to make you dependent. Think about it. Even if you earn 70,000 euros a year in Europe or $100,000 in the US after taxes, rent, and life expense, you're left with maybe 1,000 to 2,000 euros a month to build wealth. And that's if you're disciplined. Meanwhile, housing prices rise, inflation eats your savings, governments print money, and markets move faster than your paycheck. Your salary is fuel, not the engine. Wealth comes from ownership. Ownership of businesses, assets, investments, intellectual property. Employees trade time for money. Owners build systems that print money while they sleep. You don't need to quit your job, but if your entire financial plan is your salary, you're playing the wrong game. Most people think inflation is 3 to 5%. That's the official number, but the real inflation for the average person is closer to 7 to 10%. Look at the last few years. Groceries up massively. Housing exploded. Insurance higher. Energy unpredictable. Now, here's the dangerous part. If your money sits in a bank account earning 1 to 2% interest while inflation runs at 7%, you are losing purchasing power every single year. You are literally getting poorer, slowly, quietly, without noticing. Your grandparents could save money in a bank and grow wealth. That world is gone. Today, you must invest just to stay in the same place. There's a famous quote often attributed to Charlie Munger. The first $100,000 is a bitch, and it's completely true because at the beginning, your money works almost not at all. Example, if you invest 5,000 euros and the market returns 8%, you made 400 euros in a year. That's nothing. But once you reach 100,000 euros invested, suddenly 8% equals 8,000 euros per year without working. At 500,000 euros invested, 8% equals 40,000 euros per year. Now, money starts working harder than you do. This is why your 20s are financially brutal. You are in the capital accumulation phase. The mission is simple. Invest aggressively until your first 100,000 euros. Not for status, not for lifestyle, for financial momentum. Here's what happens to almost everyone. You get your first decent job, your income rises, and suddenly your lifestyle upgrades, new car, better apartment, more expensive vacations, new gadgets, and somehow you're still broke. This is called lifestyle inflation. Your expenses grow as fast as your income, and now you're trapped because once people get used to a lifestyle, they can't psychologically downgrade. The people who build wealth in their 20s do something very different. When their income rises, they keep their lifestyle almost the same and invest the difference. Example, person A, salary increase plus 1,000 euros per month, spending increase plus 1,000 euros per month, result still broke. Person B, salary increase plus 1,000 euros per month, spending increase plus 200 euros, investing increase plus 800 euros 10 years later, two completely different lives. This sounds cliche, but it's brutally true. If your friends only talk about parties, spend everything they earn, mock investing, avoid ambition, then your financial growth will be slow, not because they're bad people, but because behavior spreads socially. You adopt the habits of the people around you. On the other hand, spend time around people who talk about business, invest in markets, build projects, read about money. And suddenly your baseline knowledge skyrockets. Before 30, you should deliberately build circles that normalize financial intelligence because your environment can either accelerate you or trap you in mediocrity. In 2026, not investing is basically financial suicide. Let's be honest, pensions are uncertain, governments are overloaded with debt, population demographics are changing, and traditional retirement systems are under pressure. That means your retirement will likely depend on your investments, not the government. Fortunately, investing has never been easier. Today, you can invest in global index funds, stocks, ETFs, real estate, crypto, private businesses, all from your phone. But access alone isn't enough. You need discipline and strategy. A common approach many successful investors use: core portfolio, 70 to 90%, long-term diversified assets like global ETFs tracking world markets, satellite portfolio, 10 to 30%, higher risk opportunities, tech stocks, AI companies, emerging markets, crypto. The goal is stable growth with controlled risk. One of the biggest mistakes young investors make is waiting for the perfect time. They wait for a crash, a dip, a signal. But the truth is, no one consistently predicts the market. Even professionals fail at this. Historically, the global stock market returned around 8 to 10% annually over long periods. But the best days often happen right after the worst days. If you miss just a few of those days, your returns collapse. So the smarter strategy? Invest consistently every month through crashes, through booms, through uncertainty. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it removes emotions from investing. Debt has a terrible reputation, but not all debt is bad. There are two types: bad debt, credit cards, consumer loans, expensive cars, buy now, pay later traps. These destroy wealth because you're paying interest on depreciating things. Good debt: business loans, real estate financing, strategic leverage. This can accelerate wealth because you're borrowing money to buy assets that produce income. Understanding this difference is a massive financial unlock. A lot of people obsess about stocks while ignoring the most powerful wealth engine they have, their earning ability. If you're 25 and invest 5,000 euros per year, that's great. But if you upgrade your skills and increase your salary by 20,000 euros per year, your investing power multiplies instantly. High-value skills in 2026 include AI engineering, cybersecurity, data science, cloud infrastructure, sales, product management. The smartest people treat their career like a startup, constantly upgrading, learning, positioning themselves in high-demand industries, because income fuels investing. Here's the final truth. The goal of money is not luxury. It's freedom. Freedom to leave toxic jobs, start businesses, take career risks, support your family, live where you want. If you're watching this in your 20s, you are still incredibly early, but the window doesn't stay open forever. Your financial life between 20 and 30 sets the trajectory for the next 40 years. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to avoid the big mistakes. So remember, don't rely only on salary. Invest early, avoid lifestyle inflation, build valuable skills, own assets. And most importantly, start now, because the biggest financial regret people have at 40 is always the same: I wish I had started earlier. Don't be that person. And if you found this video helpful and you want more practical, no-nonsense investing content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one.